I'm Paul Perkins with a check of your ag weather. After record highs this afternoon in the mid-60s to around 70, clouds increase tomorrow, but highs still warm into the 60s. As a strong cold front dives to the southeast, north winds gust to 35 tomorrow night and to 30 to 45 on Sunday. Spotty rain is possible tomorrow evening to just after midnight. There are chances of light snow from after midnight tomorrow night into Sunday. Snow accumulations may reach a half inch along and north of I-80 and from southwest Nebraska to northwest Kansas. The wind-driven snow may lead to a brief period of slick conditions on Sunday morning. Highs bottom out in the mid-20s to the mid-30s Sunday, possibly with steadier falling temperatures in the afternoon. Monday, still 10 degrees cooler than normal, with highs in the upper 20s to the 30s. Highs warm into the 40s to the low 50s. Tuesday and Wednesday before a cold front lowers highs into the mid-30s to the mid-40s for New Year's Day. Long-term forecast continues to indicate a lasting period of mild weather, just not as mild as today. Warmer than normal temperatures are likely to continue New Year's Eve day through the first 8 days of the new year for Nebraska, Kansas, and much of the U.S. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation mostly below normal the middle to late part of next week before a trend of slightly above normal precipitation next weekend through January 8th. January is looking very typical for Nebraska and Kansas with near normal or seasonal temperatures and near normal precipitation predicted. Key weather factors influencing the markets include record warm highs ending and more unsettled weather for the U.S. and differing rainfall in South America. Warmer than normal temperatures continue over the nation's midsection, including highs up around 80 from Texas to the Tennessee Valley through the weekend and as far east as the Carolinas tomorrow. Across the central and southern plains, warmer air is awakening wheat, possibly reducing winter hardiness when cold air returns next month. Accumulating ice is expected from the upper Midwest to the Great Lakes and into Pennsylvania today before reaching the northern mid-Atlantic tonight. Moderate to heavy snow falls tonight across southern New England. This weekend, Arctic air surges southward into the U.S. By Sunday morning, lows near the Canadian border in the northern plains could dip below zero. Along the Mississippi River, melting snow is only providing a limited boost to water levels. Mostly dry weather into next month, a concern for Mississippi River transportation. In southern Brazil, rain this past week was widespread and mostly beneficial. Rain, though, was spotty for west central Brazil, while east central areas were very hot and dry, a concern for soybeans moving into the podfill stage. Next week, though, widespread rain is expected in the areas of Brazil that were largely missed this week. Southern Argentina soil moisture mostly favorable right now, but moisture levels are falling. Rain in Argentina this weekend is forecast to be scattered, and dry weather next week may increase the stress for developing corn and soybeans. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.